Hey, hello to you all guys, this is Lancia and welcome back to this XRPUSD technical analysis. We are on the Bitstamp chart. Today is the... what? Today is the 19th of February 2020. We are on the daily chart right now. And let's see together what could happen for the next move. I guess the uptrend isn't over because it ain't over until it's over, as the song says. And let me check. First of all, I want to remove all drawings. Okay, so we have the clear chart. Okay, now usually when I have the clear chart, I do like this. First of all, I take the Fib retracement and I consider from the most relevant peak which I see before our uptrend. So I take from the start of the move to the end of the move and I check where we are. So as far as I can see, just doing this, I see that we are on a very important level. We stopped here on the 50% level of the Fibonacci retracement, where I will put a resistance, which could turn into support if we break out with great volume, which is more likely to do because as far as I can see, look here, volume is increased during the uptrend, which is good. During this retracement, the volume was lower, and then as we picked up, the volume in buy pressure increased again. So this is very good to me, and could even indicates that we are still on the uptrend. Secondly, I want to establish a very important support. I take from here, which is the start of this wave here. If you count, this wave is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is more likely a complete wave cycle, like this. Even this, if you see, it's very easy to detect. 2, 3, oops, sorry, 4, the 4 I missed. Okay, this is an ABC, very clear. A, B, C. Okay. So now where we could go from here? I wanted even to highlight this spot because I think it is very important. As I said, this is a complete 5-way cycle, so I take from the start of the move to the end of the move. And as you can see, even here on the 50% line, we got rejected heavily, getting close to the 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is another very great support going down. But here I see a level which is very important, where we got rejected many times, which is this. Look how much this is important. You can understand by seeing this candle got rejected here, so this was acting as a resistance, here acted as a support, here acted as a support again, support again, two times here got rejected pretty heavily. If you see, here we have buying pressure going up, buying pressure going up. So if we will have a retracement, I guess this will be a very good point to buy again. I put it in green so that I can remember. And now let's go in the lower time frame to see where we could get and where we could go from here. I take from the start of the move, which is this, to the end of the move, which is this. As you can see, we are on the 38.2 Fibonacci level resistance in this case, because we are going up. But we have a good sign of recovery already. Look at this candle here. The price went down and get pushed up again with a good amount of volume. This is very good, very good indeed. This is a bull flag, and yes, I guess that I could do a fib extension from here, considering this as a first wave, to here. Now, as you can see, this wave up stopped exactly on the 1.1 extension of this one, which is good. So this could be the first wave of a third wave of the new impulse. Okay? What I mean with this is this. If you consider Elliott waves doing 5 impulses up, this one here is 1, 2, and this 1, 2 is this one in particular, because even this you can dissect in 5 impulses. Okay, so now we are in this position here. Okay, this one to me now is this one. Very clear, okay? If this is the case, we could go for the third wave here on 032, on 034, but always consider this, guys. I told you on the last video, if you go back to the precedent video, I recorded like 2 days ago on the 17th. I should put here my next resistance. Sorry guys, now 61.8. okay, as I was saying in the last recordings I made, if you go back in time, this price level here is pretty hard to overcome. Just check the weekly candle, how gets repelled from this level. We are going up with a very good volume, but as we touched this level here, we went down this far, which is good because we needed this retracement. but it means this is a very nasty level. And for a nasty level, we have a nasty candles. So take this in consideration. I guess that if we are able to break down to break up from this level here, we will go to touch this level first. We will get a retracement again to this level to go up again. This would be the perfect play, in my opinion, if we break up from this level here. But stay very alert and don't be so much aggressive, because look even here this was in 2017. This was the 15th of May, more or less, on the weekly. We are on the weekly. Let's check what was the day in that case. We got there 17th of May. Okay. Just to see some date. Sometimes even dates counts. And so by now this is all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider that if we break up, next target could be easily 0.38, but for now just check very with caution this level 0.34. See you next Friday, guys. Bye.